Depending on the version, the new KOLEOS comes with an automatic heating and air conditioning system with a choice of 3 settings: soft, normal and fast. Using this feature, I can soften, optimize or accentuate system performance to achieve the desired level of comfort, and adjust the left and right-hand sides of the passenger compartment independently. This function enables rapid demisting and de-icing of the windscreen, rear screen, front side windows and door mirrors. A fitted system continuously measures air quality outside the vehicle and automatically activates recirculation mode to ensure optimal air quality in the passenger compartment. The air purifier function allows me to minimize any bad odors in the passenger compartment. This function is on a timer and stops automatically after a few minutes.